Imagine two plants, one grows in soil, the other in water. Which one do you think grows faster? Now picture this. Over days, weeks, the plant nurtured in water in a hydroponic system outpaces its soil-grown counterpart. It's not just about speed but vitality too. The hydroponic plant flaunts vibrant leaves and robust growth, a testament to its optimal nutrient intake, while the soil-based plant struggles to match up. Surprised? Welcome to the world of hydroponics. So, what exactly is hydroponics? Let's take a quick journey through time. The concept of hydroponics may seem like a product of modern science, but it's actually an ancient practice. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, are believed to have used a form of hydroponics. And the Aztecs, who inhabited what is now central Mexico, built floating gardens known as chinampas on shallow lake beds, an ingenious form of what we now call hydroponics. Fast forward to the mid-20th century when scientists began experimenting with soilless gardening as a way to grow crops in non-arable areas. This led to the development of the first true hydroponic systems, where plants were grown in nutrient-rich water solutions without any soil. But why ditch the dirt? Well, the answer lies in the science of plant growth. Plants need nutrients, water, sunlight, and air to grow. In traditional soil-based gardening, the soil acts as a reservoir for these nutrients. However, the soil itself is not necessary for plant growth. If the essential nutrients can be delivered to the plant's roots directly, via water, the plant can grow even faster than it would in soil. This is the principle behind hydroponics. It's all about efficiency and control. In a hydroponic system, you're able to control exactly what nutrients your plants receive and when they receive them. This means that you can optimize conditions for plant growth and get healthier, faster-growing plants. Hydroponics also offers the benefits of space efficiency and water conservation. Because the nutrient solution is recirculated, hydroponic systems use up to 90% less water than traditional soil-based gardens. And because you can stack hydroponic systems vertically, you can grow a lot more plants in the same amount of space. Now that we understand what hydroponics is, let's explore the different types of hydroponic systems. Hydroponics isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. There are 6 main types of hydroponic systems. Each system has its unique features, benefits, and uses. Let's dive right into them. First up, we have the wick system. Now this is the most basic type of hydroponic system. There's no moving parts, making it perfect for beginners. It works by using a wick to draw nutrient-rich water up to the plant's roots. Simple, but effective. Next we have the deep water culture, or DWC system. It's a bit more advanced than the wick system. Here plants are suspended in nutrient-rich water with their roots directly submerged. To prevent drowning, an air pump is used to oxygenate the water, ensuring the plants stay healthy and thrive. The third type is the nutrient film technique, or NFT. This system involves a constant flow of nutrient solution over the roots, which are supported by sloping troughs. The beauty of this system is that it doesn't require any growing medium at all, allowing the plants to access nutrients more directly. The ebb and flow system, also known as the flood and drain system, is next. It works by flooding the grow tray with nutrient solution at intervals, then draining it back into the reservoir. This allows the roots to take in both nutrients and oxygen effectively. Aeroponics is our 5th hydroponic system. This one is a bit futuristic. It suspends plants in air and mists the roots with nutrient solution. It's a high-performance system, but it also requires close monitoring and control. Finally, we have drip systems, the most common type of hydroponic system. It works by providing a slow feed of nutrient solution to the plants. The excess solution can be recycled back into the reservoir, making it a very efficient system. Each of these systems has its own set of advantages and best uses. Some are better suited to large-scale commercial operations, while others are perfect for the home hobbyist. It all depends on your specific needs, resources, and goals. Now that we know our options, let's see how we can set up a simple hydroponic system at home. Getting started with hydroponics isn't as complicated as it may seem. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up your first hydroponic system. Firstly, you'll need some materials. This includes a reservoir to hold the nutrient solution, a platform or net pots to hold the plants, an air pump to oxygenate the water, and some hydroponic nutrients. Don't worry if this sounds a bit overwhelming, many of these items can be found in a basic hydroponic kit. The assembly process begins with the reservoir. Fill it with water, but make sure to leave some room at the top. You don't want your plants to be completely submerged. Next, place your platform or net pots on top of the reservoir. This is where your plants will sit, with their roots reaching down into the nutrient solution. Now, it's time to add the air pump. This is a crucial step as it keeps the water oxygenated, which is essential for plant growth. Connect the air pump to an air stone and place the stone in the reservoir. The air stone will create a stream of bubbles, providing a constant supply of oxygen to your plant's roots. The final step in the assembly process is to add the plants. You'll want to start with seedlings or small plants. Place them in the net pots, with the roots extending down into the nutrient solution. Make sure the plants are secure, but avoid packing them too tightly. They need room to grow. Lastly, we mix the nutrient solution. Hydroponic nutrients come in a concentrated form, so you'll need to dilute them. Follow the instructions on the nutrient package to get the right concentration. Once mixed, add the solution to the reservoir. It's crucial to monitor the nutrient levels regularly to ensure your plants are getting what they need. Great. We've set up our system, but how do we maintain it? Maintaining a hydroponic garden requires some attention to detail, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First off, let's talk about pH levels. Just like in traditional soil-based gardening, the pH level in your hydroponic system can greatly affect your plant's health. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic environment with a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. To monitor this, you'll need a pH tester. If the pH is too high or too low, you can adjust it using pH up or down solutions. Next up, the nutrient solution. This is the lifeblood of your hydroponic garden, supplying all the essential nutrients your plants need to grow. You'll want to change the solution every 2 to 3 weeks to ensure your plants are getting fresh nutrients. But remember, always mix your nutrients in water, never directly with each other, to avoid any chemical reactions. Light exposure is another key aspect. Plants need light for photosynthesis, and in hydroponics, you're in control of the light. Depending on the type of plants you're growing, they'll need between 10 to 18 hours of light per day. Using a timer can help manage this effectively. But what about when things go wrong? Troubleshooting is part of the process. Yellowing leaves may indicate a nutrient deficiency, while wilting could mean your water temperature is too high. Keep a close eye on your plants and adjust accordingly. One last thing, cleanliness is crucial in hydroponics. Keep your system clean to prevent the buildup of algae and harmful bacteria that can damage your plants. A simple rinse with a mild bleach solution every few weeks can do the trick. So there you have it. Monitor your pH levels, change your nutrient solution regularly, manage your light exposure, keep an eye out for potential issues, and maintain cleanliness. It may seem like a lot, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. With these tips, you're well equipped to maintain your hydroponic garden. Ready to start your soilless garden adventure? We've explored the what, why, and how of hydroponics. Now it's your turn. We've journeyed through the annals of history, witnessing the evolution of hydroponics from ancient hanging gardens to the high-tech systems of today. We've unraveled the science behind this innovative method, revealing how plants can thrive in a soilless environment, sustained by nutrient-rich water. We've navigated the diverse landscape of hydroponic systems, from the simplicity of the wick system to the sophistication of aeroponics. We've even guided you through setting up your very first hydroponic system, demystifying the process, and showing you how accessible it can be. We've also touched upon the importance of maintaining your hydroponic garden, highlighting key areas like pH levels, nutrient solutions, and light management. We've equipped you with the knowledge to troubleshoot common issues, ensuring your hydroponic journey is as smooth as possible. But all this knowledge means little without action. It's time to put theory into practice, to apply what you've learned and start your own hydroponic adventure. Whether you're growing herbs on your kitchen windowsill or cultivating a full-scale vegetable garden, the possibilities are endless. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single seed. So roll up your sleeves, immerse yourself in this green future, and let your hydroponic journey begin. Start your own soilless garden adventure today. We can't wait to see what you grow.